Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook Marketplace location within the Facebook app on your iPhone or your Android phone. So changing your Facebook Marketplace location is a great way to look for items that you can purchase that are in a different location than where you currently have it set. So to get started with changing our Facebook Marketplace location, the first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app. Then at the bottom, select the Marketplace icon that kind of looks like a storefront. This will take you to the marketplace. Once in the marketplace, you can change your location in two ways. First, you can simply select the current location. So as you can see Beverly Hills there, if I select that, it takes me to an area where I can select my current location. But if for some reason you don't have that option, select your profile icon in the top right, and then select location, which is the third item down. And then in here, we can find a new area if we want to change it. Select that location and set my custom radius if I want to, and then apply it. Then when I go back to the marketplace, you can see that all those items are now for Miami. All right, so that's how you change the location for Facebook Marketplace. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Facebook tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.